In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your job location preference in LinkedIn. Whether you're planning to move, seeking opportunities in a new area, or just want to adjust your preferences, updating your location settings can be a crucial step in refining your job search. So let's get right into it. Start by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do that first. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. And if you've enabled two-factor authentication, keep your phone handy because LinkedIn will send a verification code to your registered number. Once you're logged in, your LinkedIn homepage should be front and center. From here, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your avatar picture. Go ahead and click on that to bring up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll want to select the Me icon, which is essentially your profile picture. Clicking it will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, scroll your eyes to the introduction section. Here, you'll be looking for a small pencil icon, which is the edit icon. By clicking on this, you'll enter the edit mode for your profile information. As you scroll down in this view, you'll come across the field labeled Country Region. When you find it, click to open the drop-down menu and select the country where you're seeking opportunities. If you're planning a relocation or are interested in jobs in a different region, this is an important step. It helps LinkedIn offer job suggestions that match your current or desired location. Depending on the country you choose, LinkedIn may ask you for more specific details, such as your city, district, or postal code. This can be particularly helpful if your job search is concentrated in a certain area. Once you've entered all the necessary details, don't forget to hit that Save button. It's this simple action that ensures your new location settings are updated and reflected on your profile. Now, to further customize your job search experience, LinkedIn offers some powerful tools. Head back to the homepage, and this time, click on the Jobs icon located at the top. In the search fields that appear, enter any keywords or job titles that pique your interest. Then move over to the Location field. Here, you can specify your new location using a postal code, city, state, or even country. This allows you to fine-tune your job search results to precisely where you want to find opportunities. Once you've entered your preferred location, click on Apply to see job listings specifically tailored to those areas. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can enhance your job search strategy on LinkedIn, ensuring you're only presented with the most relevant opportunities. Thank you for watching, and happy job hunting.